Welcome to Cooking with Soul, brought to you by the U.S. Botanic Garden. I'm Tambra Raye, and today we are cooking 2 recipes using 5 ingredients each. The first is going to be dulce de fruta en almíbar, which is a fruit cocktail that I had the pleasure of learning while on a past trip to Dominican Republic. It was my first study abroad experience doing community health in Santiago and Santo Domingo, and I wanted to have flavors of the Caribbean again. So in honor of Dr. Maricel Porcello, who actually is known for a Caribbean Christmas cookbook, I wanted to also highlight and uplift women who have been trailblazing and documenting their own food ways of the diaspora. The second recipe is going to be strawberry hibiscus. Hibiscus is known by many different names, from sobolo in Ghana to zobo in Nigeria to sorrel in Jamaica, or for the Jamaica in the Latin community, and cacarde in the Middle East community. So we are going to be highlighting 5 ingredients in the Freedom Fruit Cocktail, perfect for celebrating all forms of independence. And so the ingredients are our pineapple, our mango, our papaya. You can choose to add a coconut or any other mixture of fruit that's your flavor, and then also cinnamon and brown sugar. Ruby is going to be my assistant for today. She is also my daughter. This is definitely kid-friendly items that they will enjoy, and it's a classic take on the American fruit cocktail. So as we get started, we're going to start cutting. First, we're going to peel our mango. This is something that Ruby could do, I could do, and so after we peel our mango, we will also dice into chunks very similar to the pineapple. Also will be diced into chunks, along with any assortment of fruits that you want that you're not allergic to, that you can add to the fruit cocktail. That's the benefit. It's malleable and it can be catered to your taste and also to your health. Have a trusty little peeler. It takes the skin off very easily. And then as we peel that, we also are going to peel our other. Now, what we can do with the pineapple is turn this into a boat that can actually house our fruit cocktail. And so we want to make sure that we cut either half of it. And then right at the top. So it just comes off easily. You can put that to the side. We'll also carve out this section as well. But we definitely want to take off the edges around the pineapple. And it helps to have a thick knife like this, so my fingers are nowhere near the blade to cut myself by accident. And just like that, we peel that off. And we can test to see if it's sweet enough. And if it is, we may not need to add any additional sweetness, but allow the sweetness of the fruit itself. How is it, Ruby?
It definitely is sweet.
Great. So we're going to cut all of our fruit, and then we're going to put it in the pot, let it cook, cool down, and we'll have our finished product in no time. So again, in the spirit of Vertime, we're all about vibrational cooking. First, we're going to do the fruit cocktail, which we add the fruits we add cinnamon sticks as well. And we can add other spices as you wish. Cardamom, allspice, again, creativity is the key. So you can add a bit of brown sugar, or you don't have to if you think the fruit is already sweet enough. So that's the beauty of it. Do as you please. Once the fruit comes down to a nice boil, we'll turn it off, let it cool, and then we'll serve. So in the second recipe, we have the hibiscus flower, strawberry, brown sugar, cardamom, and cinnamon. And I also like to add ginger to any and everything that I possibly can. So to make the strawberry hibiscus, we pour the hibiscus flowers into boiling water, and then we add the cinnamon stick, the cardamom, and once it comes to a boil, we let it sit. So after the strawberry, the hibiscus cools down, we have the final mixture, which is the flowers, the spices all together, but then we want to strain that out. You want to do that with me? Great, that's good. So we have enough to make a few cups. We're gonna blend some other sweetener like brown sugar, and we can always add the ginger too. So let's walk over and show that. I prefer to blend the ginger separately and then strain. But if you wish, you can blend it together. You can have as little as however much ginger. Ginger is really good to add. You can add your strawberries directly. I'm gonna add some really. We're just adding a few because we're just doing just a couple of cups for me and her. And then we're going to add our brown sugar. Like a 1/4 cup. Or 1/2 cup. And if it's summertime, add some ice. It makes for a great smoothie. We have our strawberry hibiscus. And also we just have this final dulce de fruta and almíbar Dominican fruit salad, our freedom fruit salad, because we're all about making recipes for freedom. You let that cool down, put it in the fridge, let it chill, and ready to serve. And it's perfect for any kind of party, at home get together, or just between the two of us. So, cheers to freedom. Post your comments, make the recipes, let us know what you think. Follow U.S. Botanic Garden.